Hey YouTube, how you guys doing? Another house project. Trying to figure out what's wrong with my natural gas fireplace. To be fair, this thing hasn't been on maybe more than 6 years. Just getting around it. The way you typically light this is that this is on off, facing north or up, and you crank this to pilot, right? And then you press it. Keep pressing it. It's not coming on. It's trying to. To repair it, I got a air compressor. Let me turn it on. Here we go. Let's turn it on. Press it. How about that? There's your pilot light. All right, let's crank it up. That's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Air compressor is a beautiful thing. So try that out, and good luck with your project. How about that? That's beautiful. Excuse my sump pump. It's working right now, but another thing to look at if you're troubleshooting your gas fireplace, make sure that the valve is on the on position. In this case, I definitely can tell this is on the on position. That is the off position. That is your on position. Okay, I know for a fact I have another valve in this home that requires this key. It's just right underneath it. I'll show you. If you have a secondary valve, counterclockwise turns it on, clockwise turns it off.